heard a weatherman say the jet stream is actually down on deck. It was months afterward that I began to hear that.
Well, I can point you to sites that talk about it, NOAA sites that talk about strange things going on with the jet stream back in '95.
Well, that may be, but in terms of weather people talking about the jet stream actually coming down to the deck, as Ed Dames put it, I never heard that prior to his saying it. Never, never, never. Now, the jet stream does some pretty weird writhing and moving about, but I don't recall it ever coming down on deck. And I don't recall the kind of wind speeds that we've had this winter, unusually and frequently this winter, particularly in the Northwest. Some of the coastal areas have had wind speeds that are just unbelievable. West of the Rockies, you're on the air. Hi.
Hey, Art.
Hey, yes.
From KBC Land.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure your body temperature isn't the same as room temperature right now?
No. Maybe I'm dead and don't know it.
Check it out.
It's possible.
I got a few comments about Asteroid for you.
Okay.
You notice at the beginning of the movie, a comet hit the asteroid.
No. A comet passed through the asteroid belt and perturbed the orbits of some asteroids is what occurred.
No, I thought I saw it hit one.
No.
Maybe that was before...
No, it didn't hit one. But a comet would have a gravitational field, and so it would perturb the orbit, change the orbit just a little bit.
Okay, well, I guess I missed that. Well, then I didn't miss this. It looked like when the main assault came down on Kansas City, it lasted maybe 10 minutes.
Yeah.
The Earth turns at 1,000 miles an hour, rotates on its axis.
Yeah, and it wouldn't just keep hitting Kansas City. You're absolutely correct.
Yeah, in 10 minutes, between the first one and the last one would be 165 miles.
Actually, if what had occurred really occurred, it would have been so much worse than they showed on TV.
Oh yeah, they had those little tiny bonfire things.
Oh yeah, it was just... You know, some of the special effects were admirable.
Some of them were for a TV movie, yeah, but some of them I could tell were miniature.
But I mean, this whole business of being able to predict exactly where it would come down, that's hogwash. They can't even predict where satellites are going to re-enter. They skip and they land half a world away from where they predict they're going to land.
That's very true. They're going to bounce off the atmosphere somewhat unless they're coming to...
Now, I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what would have been more realistic if they'd evacuated Kansas City, and then the damn thing had hit Wichita and wiped out everybody who was evacuated.
Yeah, I didn't see anybody get hit by those.
And then they had taken that astronomer and lynched her.
It's all her fault. Anyway, next time you get on an airplane, you can take the military gas mask.
Oh yeah, right.
Oh, sure. Like that.
I've thought of that.
Window deep, roll window down, stick your head out.
Yeah, right. About 90 below zero out there, 550 mile an hour winds. Just whip your head right out there. Good idea, sir. Good idea.
Well, remember what happened to Paul McCartney when he died?
Yes.
Maybe he should have done the same thing.
Maybe. Do you know that Paul McCartney and I share the same birthday?
Really?
Yeah, but you didn't know that, huh?
No, I didn't.
Pretty freaky, huh?
Yeah, well, maybe someday you'll tell us on your book where you've been the last 2 days on the other side, what it was like.
Goodbye, sir.
Bye-bye.